yung mga BCM natin, halimbawa sa Middle East, in Riyadh, matagal bago na inilis na photo finish election. 3 weeks nakaantala sa customs nila. And mayroon pa yung hindi ini-issuehan ng visa. Yung mga trainers natin. It had to take the intervention of DFA and the good relationship between Yusef Segis and the King of Saudi Arabia. Kaibigan ni Yusef Segis dahil dati siya ambassador doon and the king used to be a governor of one particular province. So mayroon silang personal friendship and that helped a lot in addressing those concerns.
Meron pa ba, sir, ongoing yung talagang naiipit pa rin yung election natin?
Wala na po. Wala na po. Lahat ng ating BCMs dumating din on time. Nakuha on time, although ideally sa ating mga timeline, 1 week or 10 days before election, nandoon na yun. Ang FTS natin, naganap din lahat at nasilyuhan ng mga machines before opening of voting on April 9.